Hey guys, today we're making the most delicious, fluffiest, and tastiest coffee cupcakes ever. These are perfect if you love coffee and have a sweet tooth. They are so amazing. Okay, so we're gonna start off by separating our eggs. You want to put your egg whites and egg yolks in two separate bowls. Continue separating all your eggs. If you do get any eggshell in there, don't worry, you can take it out after. Then you're going to take your electric mixer and you're going to beat your egg whites with a bit of baking soda in it to stabilize them until they reach stiff peaks. They should become thick and glossy. Once they're whipped up nicely, you can take your egg yolks and to that you're going to add in your sugar. And you want to beat this once again until it reaches a creamy, thick, and lighter in color kind of texture. This will take around 5 minutes, so continue beating. Once you're done beating that, you can set that to the side. And to your warm water, you're going to add in your coffee and give that a good stir. Once you're done, you can pour that into your egg yolk mixture with the oil and the vanilla. And you're going to beat this once again with your electric mixer until it is nicely combined. Once that's mixed in properly, you can add in your flour, the salt, then you're going to give this a good whisk with your electric mixer. Now do continue mixing this until it is lighter in color. This will take around 5 minutes. This will just add in air to it so it makes the cupcake fluffy. Finally, you can add in your baking powder and mix this until it is just combined. Don't overmix this. Once your batter is ready, you can take your egg whites that we whipped up earlier and you're going to fill them into your mix. Now be very gentle with this as we do not want any air to escape. This will make the cupcake a lot fluffier. Once it's combined, you can take your ice cream scoop and fill up the cupcake liners around half to 3/4 way full. Do not overfill these as they will rise. Continue making these until all your batter is finished. Now this batter makes around 30 cupcakes. You can put this in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it and make sure they don't burn. While that's baking, you can make your ganache. Now of course this is optional, but it makes the cupcake much tastier. To the pan, I've added some boiling water and I've put a bowl over the top. I'm putting in the cream and the chocolate. And you're going to take this over to your stove and heat it up. Continue mixing this until it eventually melts and forms a silky, smooth ganache. Once your cupcakes have baked, give them plenty of time to cool, and then you can dip them into your ganache, or alternatively, you can pipe it onto them. Make sure you let the excess drip off before you turn it over. And that's it. These are so easy to make and they're incredibly delicious. They're just so perfect with a cup of coffee. And they're amazing to satisfy that sweet tooth. They're so soft and incredibly amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.